Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what a typical night off from work looks like for me. I've been dealing with my seasonal allergies for the past week and a half. I've been feeling and sounding like crap. This is actually the best I've sounded, but yeah, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so normally I would start by cleaning up around the house, but I did go to the salon this day, and when I came home my boyfriend already took care of everything, so I just headed straight to the bathroom and then proceeded with my shower. But first, we have a little friend that was not invited to the party that I gotta take care of. Y'all see that pimple right there? Yeah, it gotta go. Now I'm going to take my favorite mask for when I'm breaking out, and that is my Freeman Beauty Tea Tree and Manuka Honey mask. I love this mask so much. It's like a mask and cleanser in one. So it serves multiple purposes and it was only $5. And you know, if I would just like stick to my skincare routine, this would not happen. But I'm not gonna lie, I do get lazy sometimes. So yeah, breakouts happen sometimes. So now I'm just going to apply this to my face, and while that sits, I'm going to go ahead and jam out to some tunes. And I know I'm not the only one who has shower karaoke, so I'm going to head over to my Spotify and go ahead and listen to one of my playlists. This is the playlist that I'm feeling today. But yeah, in the meantime, this is what I use in the shower. My Summer's Eve cleansing wash for the vagina, and then one of my favorite spring and summer scents, my coconut quench from Soft Soap. And then when I get out of the shower, I brush my teeth. I'm gonna dry my face off, and then I'm going to go in with this toner from the Body Shop. It's a Chinese and ginseng rice toner. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. This is a great toner if you have hyperpigmentation like myself. It helps to tone and even out your skin tone. I do have a very old scars, so it's fading but very slowly. Next, for the pimple, I'm going to spot treat with my tea tree oil, and this is also from the Body Shop. It's already diluted with only 15%, so I apply this anywhere that there's a pimple, and then on my cheeks, because I do tend to break out on my cheeks a lot, which is why there's mostly hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply that there because where there's one pimple, there's more dying to come up, and I'm not having that. So we're gonna put the tea tree oil over there just to prevent any further pimples from popping up. And while that sets into the skin, I'm going to grab my next favorite product, and this is my clear pore serum from Exposed. I love this serum so much. This is from the skincare kit that I use to clear the blemishes from my skin. And what this serum does is it gets into your pores overnight. It has a gel-like consistency, so it doesn't make a mess on your pillow or anything. And then it just reduces the size of the pimple. So like sometimes, depending on the size or how inflamed the pimple is, I will wake up the next morning and that pimple will be literally gone. Now I'm gonna take my shower cap off, and to take care of the rest of my body, I'm using my Body Shop coconut body butter, which is so creamy. It leaves my skin feeling smooth as velvet, like y'all don't even understand. And then after that, I'll move on into the kitchen. Some nights we have like, you know, a well-cooked meal, all healthy and stuff, and some nights we have burger and cocktails. So tonight I'm gonna be making my burgers, and I always make this from scratch. So I'm just gonna apply a little butter to my pan, and then I'm just gonna place my burger patties in and leave that to cook. And I usually do it like 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how thick I've made them. And then when I flip them over, I'll go ahead and add some onions into the pot to saute as well, because I do like onions on my burgers. Okay, and right here I just have some sauce going. This is my homemade barbecue sauce, by the way. And right here I'm going to take my Wonder Bread. I know white bread. I couldn't tell the last time I had white bread, but I'm going to be honest, I didn't pick any up at the grocery store, and I went to the deli and this was all that they had. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'm going to just roll with it. So I'm going to just place that in the toaster oven and turn that on, and then I'm going to go ahead and make my drinks. So tonight we're having pina colada, and that's my pineapple juice, and coconut cream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and also use some Jamaican rum. This is a 63% proof, you guys. Sometimes I use Hennessy depending on how I'm feeling, and then my shot glass. Now I'm gonna fill that cup up with some ice. We're gonna add the pineapple juice next. You can use fresh pineapples if you like, but today I'm using pineapple juice. And then I'm just gonna put that coconut cream inside. And then we're gonna add our 2 shots of Wray & Nephew white rum. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up and blend away. I know these are margarita glasses, but I like the way my pina colada look in them. And of course, I always have leftovers. I'm probably gonna make a second round anyway, but I'm gonna just go ahead and grab some cheese to assemble my burger. I'm gonna add some lettuce and tomatoes. Then I'll add the burger patty with my onions. And on top, we're gonna put a little of the barbecue sauce that I just made. And yeah, guys, that is my burger. And after we finish eating dinner, then I would normally come back into the kitchen and clean up, and then I went ahead and also made a second round of pina coladas as well. I walked into the living room to my boyfriend playing Call of Duty Black Ops. Normally I would join him and play with him as well, but tonight I feel like watching a movie. I went to my little DVD stash, and after a long debate, we decided to watch Norbit because Eddie Murphy is super funny. So yeah, this is a typical night off from work for me, you guys. Let me know how you like to spend your days off from work or school. And cheers to another round of pina coladas and Norbit.